Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an easy burp cloth for babies. This is a great beginner sewing project, and there is a free pattern on my blog. You can find the link in the description. It's a simple project to sew because it is two pieces of fabric, and you just sew around the outside. This is a great way to practice sewing curves, and I love making lots at one time so that I can give them away for gifts. For this project, you're going to need the free pattern, which you can get on my blog, and then I prefer to use flannel fabric for both sides to make the burp cloth extra absorbent. You can find lots of fun baby prints to use with the flannel. If you want, you can even use terry cloth or something that's even more absorbent. The burp cloth, you just want it to be as absorbent as possible. Now you're going to cut 2 layers of fabric for 1 burp cloth. Now we're going to take our 2 pieces and place them right sides together, match up our curves and edges, and then we're going to pin them together. Now we're going to sew around the edge, and we're going to leave a 4-inch hole so we can turn it right side out. Now, before we turn the burp cloth right side out, I am going to use pinking shears to just trim along the curves, and this will help reduce the bulk. And now I'm going to turn the burp cloth right side out. Now I'm going to press all of these edges flat. You kind of have to roll the seam with your fingers to get the seam to come out. So we want the edges to be nice and crisp, so that's why we press it. Now the last thing to do is to top stitch all the way around the edge, and that will close the hole. The burp cloth is finished. You can press the edges if you don't like the wavy edge, but this is a great gift, and it's great to have lots of these when you have a little baby. And that's how you sew an easy burp cloth for babies. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day.